In this video, we're going to be removing a rear right door panel off a 2012 Range Rover Sport. We have the door off. So it's a little easier for us since it's laying like this, but I mean, it's pretty easy when the car is, obviously the door is on the car. Just try to use plastic tools on this, that way you don't damage your door trim. And it just pops out. Okay, so you have two main clips, one in the front, one in the back, and then you have these little clips that just kind of pop in. This one's broken previously, so it's bent. They put it on the wrong way, but just kind of guide them in when you're popping them back in. Make sure they get all in position before you pop it in.
No.
Alright, now we're going to be removing Phillips screws. Protection. Alright, now you pop this little cover off. The thinner flathead you have, the better. That way you don't damage the door panel. Yeah, it's just another Phillips. And make sure you take all the screws out so you don't drop them later. Alright, so now we got all the screws out. Now you're gonna start find an area where you could pick through it, underneath it, and just start popping out the clips all around the door panel towards the bottom of it. We're using a plastic wedge tool. So once you pop the clips towards the bottom, now you gotta do this top part. Alright, so this thing popped out right now, so it's easy to unplug it and then doing it later. This is the little light towards the bottom of the door panel. Just pop it back in here. Alright, now you're just gonna have to start unplugging everything. Alright, so you gotta unplug this from the module. It's pretty easy, just pressing the tab and it releases. Okay, now we're going to be doing door handle cable. Alright, so this is the door panel off. So these are the clips you have to work your way all around to pop them out of. See, they're all around. And they get pretty high up there. This is broken.